I do normally wear jewelry, yeah, every day. Not a lot, but just one or two pieces. My favorite piece is this, actually. I love this little bracelet here. I think it's really cool. It came about because I'd actually just been doing like a few dinner parties at my house with my mum and her friends and my friends, and I'd seen the format before and thought it was a really lovely idea, and so wanted to branch out to any strangers that might want to come and eat my food, and got my mates together and we just decided to set it up. I think I've definitely learned how to lead in the kitchen, or just in any environment, and how to control my own emotions, because you sort of learn how much that affects the people that you're working with. So I've learned how to sort of be in control of the kitchen. You know, learning how to cook in Italy, there's a real sense of community and bringing people together when we eat. And that philosophy is instilled in a lot of Italian chefs. So that food culture of sitting down, taking time to eat, and taking time when you cook, you find in a lot of Italian chefs. So like Missoma might be one, super top end of the spectrum. But yeah, I think any chef that embodies that philosophy of taking time when you cook, but also taking time when you eat, would be a chef that I admire. The meal that holds the strongest memory for me is my nanny, who's my dad's mum. She is from St. Kitts in the Caribbean, and she makes this saltfish stew with like tomatoes and red peppers and yam and like rice and beans, and it's just like, yeah, instant blast from the past. I mean, the first thing I ever learned to make was a bolognese, a very mediocre bolognese that my mum taught me how to make. But I will always remember that as the first. I mean, I think it's a lot of people learn a bolognese, it's like standard, right? But that always has like a place in my heart, because every time I make it, I try and make it better than the last time. Yeah. Still terrifying, yeah. It's funny, because I'll get on and I'll be totally relaxed for the entire morning leading up to it. And then the second the cameras turn on, my heart will just start like pumping in my chest. But it's so much fun, loads of fun. I think in what I wear, yeah, I think my style with cooking is quite similar to my style with clothes and what I wear. Try and keep it fairly simplistic, but really good quality. I don't know. Let me answer that again. I try not to think too much about what's next, at least immediately. Sort of set myself a goal long term and then aim for it, and however I get there will be how I get there. But I've learned not to make short-term plans.